morning from Benin Radio program. Of course, you know, see today na very tight day for us, but we try to manage our time to ensure say we finish everything. We deal with our Commissioner for Arts and Culture and Diaspora Affairs, Osorege Ru. Commissioner, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Well done, bro.
I work now.
Good morning, my brother.
I know say now the day busy, so we'll just go through the matter. Our royal father I go visit Abuja to go welcome Prince Charles. But one of the major things are the Edo artifacts. Those things, what thing they be, and in any hope say the people will return them, because you know what some say don't still good outside.
Yes. Well, first of all, we will thank our papa, you know, Royal Majesty Monoba Nedo, Ukuwok Bolokbolo, Oba already second, Noklidigan, Oba Atokwe. Because Oba, with the way he carry our art and culture matter, he treat our belewewe. You know, many people don't come see him, talk about the artifact. Professor from London, people from Germany, people from everywhere, they come talk, say how they want to do the matter. And Oba don't tell them, most of the visitors where they receive say, yes, those artifacts mean a lot to us as Benin people, because now our history, with the generation where they just carry, come out from 1897. And me, as Commissioner for Culture, I like and the way our papa take on Gidigba, they follow the matter. Yes, he go Abuja, he meet Prince Charles, and he still talk the matter, say we want some of those artifacts back. And everybody when they come, they say, he don't want everything back, may they bring some. Because those artifacts, the ones we go there, they stand as our ambassador for those places. Like now, if you go Metropolitan Museum for New York, a section like that there for our artifacts, where they put our artifacts. If you go Philadelphia, many big states for America, Boston, if you go to their museum now, you go see them. London, Germany, France. So, Oba don't say, may they bring some of them back. May the other ones, they stand as our ambassador, you know, for there. Because when you go there, say, this artifact, where it come from, they go say now for Edo State. Where for Edo State, they say now Benin. Where for Benin, say Benin Gongon, so that they're going to say, but as that one they work, they don't talk about our state and our culture. So this one, yes, a lot of pressure day now, a lot of vacancy day, a lot of talk day. And when this country don't happen like that, we must get results.
But the talk, the two they delay, because you don't think now when I just people now they hear that thing. If like say my Jack, if you take and sing, Abi.
Yes,
but it not be the advocacy, not be here. You should say the remote the yes, so.
The way it been at the pressure now, it not be like it be before. You know, Oba don't hold on to the bar. Our governor too, as he come, because of the value of culture, our governor make culture and tourism one of his systematic pillars for his government. And you see the way the governor, they support the ministry now. And you go agree with me, say art and culture ministry, not be as it be before, as it be now. Yeah. Why? Because of the support of governor for me and for my ministry and all the staff. So because of that, these things we must get results. Last month, our governor was in Amsterdam when they got meeting with some of the Igbo people. They talk about those artifacts. So, and Oba go Abuja. And all the Igbo people and everybody where they come is the head of British Museum, the Algaparapata come see Oba State teller. So they don't know. There's negotiation. Say, they go return some as loan. They go return them for us. Make we use, carry, go back. So many talk. They even talk, say, we not get the capacity. We not get the museum to store them.
They say we not get the museum to store our own thing.
No, to hold them, to protect them.
Okay.
But Oba don't agree now with the governor. Say they go build museum for Benin. We go build those things. So governor even talk on last time for 2 years anniversary.
No, but I know that's how those people.
Between 3 years. Between 3 years, they go build that museum for Benin, for near Palace. There will be say, we will store those things that will fit on the look. And some other ones still there inside Palace, we will put there. So that people come, curator go there, we will take people around, see what this thing mean to us. So we need to keep pushing, hope day. And again, this is a fest we want to do for December. Part of one of the major content now to show the pictures. I get over 1,000 pictures, the ministry get them. Maybe say we will show some of the pictures of all the artifacts for where they did, all the museum where they did today. So now are part of the content of this year Edo Fest from the 17th to the 22nd of December. And the place we want to do, our papa don't agree make we use Palace.
Okay, so, don't use Palace.
And our Palace we go use. So all the pictures of the artifacts, as a day for America, as a day for London, as a day for Berlin, as a day for everywhere, we'll put the pictures there. Maybe say people will come, curator will tell them, and the chiefs of there will tell them, what did this one mean to us? Would they invite all the ambassadors, embassies, so many visitors will come. You know, social media would do there, television would do there, they go film them. So that for that 6 days period, it go to Palace. So when you come, you go see the picture there, they will tell you what it mean. So all the visitors will come see them. When they go back to America, they go tell you, say, this thing are stolen things, make you take them back to Benin because it go there for internet, it go there for everywhere.
But then they agree, say, they thief her from us.
They know now.
You know, they agree, but you know,
in principle,
no, they agree saying they loot them.
They agree.
Yes, but they change the language. Say they
say what?
Say they could not too hard. Say
no, I want make that talk.
Say they thief her. Say they keep her in custody because
something from here go
from that side.
You know what you they talk just now. You get what will pin me.
Yes.
What thing you carry from here come out. Now you they tell us say we no get museum to take keep up. It gets as it be now.
No, all those are part of negotiation. Yes, because those things don't they valuable. Something where they don't keep for over 200 years. Okay. You need a special place to store it. You can't just bring it. If you bring a coin, you go begin to depreciate.
Not be as the commissioner they talk and not be match you not be here you take the years since. The same thing. I know all these things I not just know as it be. But you go surprise say that kind of thing when you go see them. So I am happy for this good news for us this morning, and at the same time for the whole of Edo people. This is now waiting with the expect. So this story of waiting they carry, so then bomb me come they bomb me. I can't hear say they carry this thing they carry. But another area where I know they see for this ministry. You get one day and they watch television, they show some document. So when they come, they show one, they call a library, the UK. So the way everything happen for UK, people we make sure say we do that this thing where these great things we don't happen for UK. The people we do and the people we introduce they come they show their picture. You get one place where they put all of them. So people they go there. Person day we go they take them around. You say now this thing, and this thing they see for UK, for social place where social state, and this man. But we never they see that kind of thing for this state. You understand? Because we don't they see the light for when you come to art and culture for Benin. We don't they see, and now only Port Harcourt now with the yes say yes, I be Calabar. Now those one be they let people they don't say yes, but Benin now we don't they say improvement.
Yes.
So for that one I go thank you.
Thank you.
So why it be like say we never start to they see all those kind of things? Like now we don't start to they born.
Yes.
Our children they know see all these things. When they talk about get some women when Osamorete sing, great people from Lagos. Or they say your banners you guys they make sure their needs. We supposed to see all these people. Get one place where you put all these pictures. Where would they see? Okay. All that part of art and culture.
Yes, thank you very much, my brother. We, so like you say, a lot of things there where we they work on. The governor we will get now very serious governor. He said we must make sure we get plan. We just can't begin to do things anyhow. So we did develop tourism master plan, and we will compare of all those things we talk. And part of the thing we want to do for Edo Fest on the 4th day. Na gala night. That gala night, we want to talk, say we will use and to appreciate those sons and daughters who don't contribute to the growth and development of art and culture for the state. We do it last year, so this will not be a new thing. Last year when we do our Edo Fest, we will taste that. We recognize Sir Victor Waifo, Sir Omori Joseph, and Chief Alufa. Yeah. Chief Alufa, the man who designed Festac Face for 1977. The man was 27 years old then. When Oba Kenzwa, when they tell British, may they bring that Idi mask for us. When Obasanjo na head of state then, British people say they pay $2 million for £2 million that time. So they come meet Oba of Benin, and the Oba of Benin come tell them say, they thief the craft, the art, but we get the craft. They come carry Chief Alufa, make a design the Festa Face. Where would they use now the Idi mask? What would they use now as that we also. Because this one gets story, get history. And where this history actually happened, where Queen Idia, where be Obaisige Mama, that time fight the war, when he cook for Udo warriors, for Nwame community, for Ovia Southwest, they did there. The pot we use, all those clay pot, the pieces of pot and everything still there for Nwame. I go see them myself. So we want to try to preserve all those areas, do our history very well. Recently, say Oga Governor approved, make we do, inaugurate cultural club for all the secondary schools for Edo State. So that we fit teach our art, they fit tell them all those stories. As they do dramatic club, English club, other club, they'll get culture club. Because that's how they grow, we get all those things where they teach us.
Yes.
So we don't try to put them back for secondary school. Where we say they'll get competition. This year, December 2, we want to do Edo Fest. Secondary school children, they involve. You know, they will do competition for dancing, do competition for history, Edo history. Then one of the story, they tune a theater and drama for the Edo Fest on the 18th. Now to talk about Idia, one reenact the Idia drama. How it happened, the Queen Idia. You know, talk about the story where
yes, Queen Idia, well, Samority.
Yes.
But so, you don't get picture.
You know, and it must be this now. You should get picture now. And I will tell you something. One time we plan to put up for one place. We dey work on something now. We want put up for one place for Benin. Where Monoba don't agree, say make they put the big mass for there. So when the time reach, we will unveil them. So because those ones now our history. So like you said, this year again, this gala night for Benin, we will use and recognize those people where we say they don't contribute to the growth and development for our state and appreciate them, no matter how poor they because what the governor they do now, not be where they don't die. You can't they praise them. You can't they thank them. As they are alive, so little by little we will appreciate them. Then I'm waiting your government.
Okay, those are
our artists and our people who don't contribute for Edo.
So that's our time not to do again. Before you come on here, when you go Edo Fest for which place for go Edo Fest? Now you can be
Edo Fest.
No, which one you go last now? That way you come program.
Go for Canada.
You get one place you go for now.
Edo National Convention.
IB.
It was good. The one we do for Toronto good. We get many Edo people will come.
Okay.
You know, opportunity to talk about what the Oga governor they do for Edo State. Talk about the housing and motor housing unit. Talk about all the infrastructure, the road the Oga governor don't do. Talk about the Edo Best program for our children. We be say the children for primary school get modern day technology. They know how to use computer. Not just the computer, use how to maintain, you manage them, know the courses where they do, check them for classes, check teacher too, check headmistress. So that we'll have monitor what they do. Then we finish on Congo Calgary, where they do Edo Cultural Day, inaugurate Cultural Day. The Minister for Tourism and Culture for Canada did there. Minister for Trade and Commerce did there. So we showcase Edo program, and I use the opportunity to tell them the opportunity where the field country invest for our tourism for Edo State, because we know we get plenty tourist sites where we say we want bring, make we develop for Edo. So we use the opportunity to tell them.
All right, man.
I just quick answer this one question. We they talk about this art and culture, but I can't discover say tourist center, recreation center. We don't get for this state apart from Ring Road. Why?
Yeah, we'll look at those things. Like I said, the tourism master plan, everything will there inside. You know, because Rome was not built in a day. All these things not there before. Because priority not there for art and culture. Now that we get government where we say, look, say, value art and culture, all those things will begin to come up.
So time, no, maybe we'll go
Edo Fest is important, make we talk about them, because from the 17th to the 2nd, make people know, say they will come for Edo Fest program. Not be ministry thing, not be government thing, Edo people thing. Whether you be PDP, you be APC, you be ADC, any party with it, this is not Edo, now your culture. So government will come and go, but our culture remain, just like Oba Palace. And we get government where we say, he appreciate that culture, make we follow up on that.
Okay, we need to talk.
We can use Benin to talk. No, not be only Benin, not be commissioner for only Benin.
Okay, no, but I want to use Benin to talk.
Okay, yeah, Edo Fest in my house. Ogo Boyano, Ogo party Nuri Aye, Ogo government Nuri Aye, Ogo Oviedo Yano, as far as Redo, Ogi Maya, no. All right. Then again, the Edo Yatoni, now, Ugiala Oda, the governor, don't Peva, and Mayagba, Peva, Wukpo. Now, I have a concert with Ring Road, and I have a musician, they have a musician here, Demi Adoku. But not be only I don't understand. Okay. So we are getting Akobe they come, we are getting Commissioner Karudo from Edo Central, and we are getting Ekpeyon from Edo North to come and perform. Then all those young Edo coming up artists, we will get them involved as well. Because the governor say he value the youth, and he won't make them know, say he like them. And my Wajewe they come now, Edo Pikin. She grew up for years, she go Lydia secondary school before she go Ekpoma. And so she they come perform today so that they go give hope to our Edo youth. Say not be to they go Libya or they go Spain or go Europe, be the only way you can really survive here. And let them stay here to benefit from the government of today. Yeah, thank you.
All right, we appreciate when you take on.
Thank you.
Well, after the whole thing, we'll take time to settle down.
No,